Okay, so we are heading to 703 Pintail Lane in Heron Point. And here is Ocean Beach Highway. This is 48th Avenue, which is the turn you take to go to Ann Avenue. Oh, I'm sorry. Nope, that's 46th Avenue. Sorry. 48th is just up here a little bit farther. I wanted to give you a view of the area in and of itself, the road that leads up to the Heron Point mobile home park. And here we go. This is 48th right here. So you turn right or turn left right there to go to Ann Avenue. So it's probably about a 3-minute drive. A couple horse farms in this area right here. A couple more subdivisions to the right. And there's an amazing park over here too with the baseball field and all that. This area is called Baker's Corner. They sell the best pickled vegetables here at this store, at the Baker's Corner store. And to the right here is a really great pizza place called Papa Pete's. So our turn's coming up. Here's the fire station. There's a storage unit right here across the way. Camera stays still for the speed bumps. We'll see.